Way better, man.
Alright guys, in today's video, I'm going to be getting 2 front tires because I'm tired of this poke right here. I don't know how good y'all can hear me, but I don't like that. It looks really bad. I'm going to try to get an alignment today too if I get in, but first, I'm dropping off my friend's coilover wrenches that he let me borrow, and he just bought a 5.0, so I'll be able to see that.
Got a new friend for the C5. Thank you, my girlfriend. This is so ugly, but I love it. Like I said, about to go to my friend's house. We're gonna flick up. He literally just bought this 5.0. I don't know if y'all remember him. He's the one with the V6 Mustang. If you aren't new here. And that was a pretty cool car, but now he got a 5.0, bro. He's in the big leagues. He's gotta be careful. But it's really, really nice. Like, brand new paint job. It's red. It's catless. Like, it's really, really cool. So I'm gonna go pick up my phone over there. One bad news, the alignment shop is booked, so I'm gonna have to go Tuesday after school, but that's fine. I'll just pick y'all up when I'm there after I get my tires done and everything. Gotta make sure it's in this. That sounds good, bro.
I know it's not
Are
that
you happy?
bad. Yeah, I'm happy, bro. I finally got the V6 out of the way.
This is weird too, because most cars are like this, but mine is like that, the C5.
Yeah.
Like the parking brake.
Finally, bro. The only downside is I have the base model, so it's not interior.
That's fine, bro.
Yeah, the inside's nice though.
And everything.
Yes, sir.
Someone's driving my car. Guys, I'm back, and I should have went a little bit taller, so I need alignment still, and I did 35. I love the stretch on it, but the thing is, it's really small. The gap is bigger, so right now I'm gonna call up and see if I can switch the make them a little bigger, but we'll see how that goes. But way better than the old ones. I'm about to go pick up my old tires in my dad's Ranger, but yeah. Oh no, a little too small. So I don't like the way these tires look. I got the wrong fitment, so I'm actually going to be replacing these tires with, they're like really similar. They're just winter tires. I don't really care. I don't live in mountains where I have to handle all the time, so like have good handling. So I'm gonna get my tires replaced with these ones, and I'm just gonna do 40 instead of 35. I was scared of squat, so I should have just went for the 40s, not the 35s, but it's whatever, you know. All right, I'm next. This is gonna look way better. I'm not a big fan of this at all, and I'm sure y'all are thinking the same thing. All right, I'm waiting outside because the door's locked. I don't like recording people while they work. I don't want to like make them feel pressured. All right, new tires are on. This looks so much better. Still gotta get my alignment, but look how it's flush, dude. Like, I don't have tires sticking out from the side. I do have toe, if you can tell, but this looks super good, dude. It's only 2 fingers, which isn't bad. That's how it was before. I don't know. It was like way bigger gap with the 30s or 35s, which is confusing because my last ones were 35s. I don't know, but yeah, this looks really good. Now I can lower it a little more in the front, and I get the coilovers. Much better. See, it is squatted. Yeah, guys, I've been wanting to do this for such a long time, new tires, and I'm really glad I did it. I did really like the stretch. I mean, this is still stretched, obviously. Dude, they scratched my tires. Oh, that's just stuff on it. But yeah, this is looking way better. I still need my alignment. I'm about to hang out with my friend. He just cammed his truck. Dude, I can't believe we're in high school with this stuff, bro. Bro! That sounds so good. I can't believe actually it's so good. I don't think too. Bro, that sounds so cool. I appreciate it, bro. Alright, if you're wondering what I'm doing right now, I didn't like how lifted it was after I put the 40s on, so I'm taking out my lowering bolt completely, which is what most people do to get super low. But yeah, I'm almost on this side and then after the other side. I got the lowering bolt removed fully. Me and my dad had a genius idea. We didn't want nothing to make any noise, so we're gonna put sound deadening under here, because I'm literally gonna have no bolt here. I'm not recommending this, by the way, to y'all, but if y'all wanted like a cheap, easy way to lower your car, this is definitely an option. Not saying it's the best one, but you get what I mean. All right, so like I said, me and my dad had the genius idea of using sound deadening, because let me get focus. I should like cut out sound if there's any. Plus, at least there's some type of padding. So put a strip on top of here and then a strip down here.
All right, got both sides finished. Now it has to settle. Like it's not done right now. We're gonna drive around the block. We repainted this part because I don't know how well y'all can hear me. I hope y'all can hear me. It was like missing paint, but good thing I'm getting alignment tomorrow at 5:30 because, you know, it's always good to get alignment after you mess your suspension. Okay, it is now the next day, and I honestly can't tell that it's lower. I haven't drove it, so I'm sure it's gonna lower a little bit. But I'm about to clean up my wheels because I'm gonna go to the alignment shop, and I don't know if they're gonna take videos or pictures of my car because it's like a stance place. But let me clean my wheels real quick. By the way, glass cleaner, the ammonia free, makes your wheels look like a mirror. Like, definitely try that out. All right, and just like that, look how much smoother it looks. Just like a mirror. But yeah, guys, I'm about to go get gas, and then my car's gonna be aligned. It's gonna look way better. Camber in the rear, no more. And I have positive camber, I believe, up here, so no more of that. Guys, I'm at the alignment shop. They got some pretty cool stuff here. The crap's so hard right there, dude. It is crazy, dude. I don't understand how you drive like that. I let him drive it right now. Way better than it was before. I'll show you all in a minute. Guys, got it all done. The wheel's a little turned, but this is so much better. I have no camber in the rear, like barely any. Definitely check out K-Style if y'all are in the area of DFW. Great place. They're very nice people, and they did really good work. Oh, that's so much better, man. Okay, I'm seeing how it feels. Oh my God, that's so much better, dude. I was needing it so bad. He said the rear was like towed in, the front was towed out, the camber, it was horrible, dude. Positive camber in the front, horrible. So definitely check out K-Style, I'm serious, great work. You guys already know what I'm at, my favorite place, but look how much better this looks, dude. And it drives so much better. I was just on the highway. Sick. I got no more camber in the rear. I thought it was cool, obviously, but this is better. I don't want to tear up my car. And now it's barely 2 fingers, you see? Ah, that looks so cool. Also, dude, my friend just bagged his charger, and I'm so excited to see it. Ooh. I parked horrible. Victor, his little speaker rack. I want to see him air out, bro. Ooh. Air out, I want to see. Yo. Holy crap, dude. What's up, bro? That's actually so cool, bro. Holy crap. Wait, squat. Your country, bro. Dude, that's actually so cool, bro. I'm so excited. Dude, that looks so good, bro. But you can't tell me Days is... Alright, guys, I hope y'all like it because it looks super good. Way better, man. I love the Fitment so much. Just look how flush that is. I'm finally, like, not crazy tucked in the rear with the camber, which I did think camera is cool. So much better. And just the front. That used to bother me so much, having that front tire poke. I'm really confident in how my car is looking. A lot of the stuff that used to bother me is no longer here. I no longer have the really bad fitment. It's not lifted in the rear.
It's just looking how I've always pictured and wanted it.
I still want to do a little more stuff here and there. Like I want to do tint. I want to get a heavier shift knob because that'll feel good. But yeah, guys, I'm basically done with all of the crazy mods I've been doing. I don't really have to do mods every week like I've been doing. I've been trying to post a lot of mods. I've been trying to get my car nicer where I can make really like aesthetically pleasing TikToks. I'm going to switch up the content from just the mods. I'm going to post some videos of like the POVs, and then you'll also like the talking videos. That video went viral, so I'm gonna post some more like that. But if I'm not as active on here, I'm active on TikTok and Instagram, so make sure you follow it right here. But yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you all enjoyed this video. More videos to come, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.